We finally getting some rain in SoCal? Okay. Starting off in the large women's sizes. Finding some Forces for 50 bucks. Dunks for 90. Got these for 100. Jordan 1 high comforts going for 70. 80 for these corduroy Air Max 97s. What are these? What are these Kill Shot 2s going for 50? What are these aluminum foil 1s going for 150 bucks? Size 10, 150, 75 for these. Nothing too crazy, but the prices ain't too bad. See what's going on with the size 10 and a half men's. Haven't been here in quite some time, so curious to see what they got. Infinity Run 4s go for 80. I feel like these have been on sale forever. $60 for these Metcon 8s. Metcon 9s go for 70. Got some Pegasus Plus right here, $80. I don't see any Invincible Run 3s. See some right here. These are size 10 right here, $80. No, these are Invincible Run. If you can find some Nike by U's, you can find some really, really good deals. I don't know about the color on this one though. Not feeling that one. $60. Size 9. Well, it says size 9, but also says 10.5. Another Nike by You. This is a blazer. This one's going for 60 as well. Color's a little bit better on this one. Air Max 1s. What are these? La Familias. The color's interesting on it. The quality looks ridiculous. Comes with an extra stain on the back. Those are 110. Penny 2s go for 100 bucks. 60 for the Jordan 2s. Seeing a lot of Nike by U's. This is by Natasha. This one's pretty interesting. A little much. But yeah, price is good though. Price is good at 80 bucks. Another Nike by You down here. Air Max 90. Okay. These are down to 60. See, that's a really good price. I'm telling you, these Nike by U's are definitely priced to go here. 100 bucks for the Jordan 1 Golf. LeBron 19 lows, kind of interesting to see these. 70 bucks. 100 bucks for the Jordan 38s right here. Dang, dude, I like those. Moving on to the size 10 Jordan 1 High OGs 100. They have a ton of those. And yeah, just a lot of them, dude. LeBron's right here down to 70. This is a premium 21. They do have a lot of interesting stuff. Air Max 1. These the big bubbles right here going for 80. Another Jordan 1 High OG right here going for 160. Yeah, definitely not seeing any Invincible Runs. Size 10, 10.5 though. What the hell? I just noticed that. $10 off entire purchase. What the hell? Do got plenty of campers here. Also got sneakers just sitting on the floor. What the hell? In the size 11, Jordan Delta 3 lows going for free pretty much, $35. Another 10% off. That's like what, $31? 110 for the AJKOs right here. Blazer, Nike by You Blazers, 60 bucks. All kinds of Jordan 1 highs right here. All kinds of the same ones, $60, 60 bucks. Mids going for more than highs. What's going on here? 110. The ships right here, the air ships, been going for crazy cheap. $70. Another Nike by You. Got some Huaraches in a Steelers colorway. Yeah, for 60 bucks. Air Forces right here, 60 bucks. Pegasus Turbos going for 40 in multiple colorways. Luna Roams 120. Air Max 1 Safari or Air Safaris, my bad, 70 bucks. Remember, you do get an extra 10% off everything. I'll try to make it short before I leave, so y'all get the heads up. Because it might just be this weekend. I don't know. What these go for. $60 for the Tac. Another Jordan 37 right here. These look smaller than a size 11. What the hell? Yeah, 100 bucks. Man, I'm telling you, these are so comfortable. Moving over to the 12s. Got some Roshis. Going for 30. Huarache Runners in a interesting colorway. What is that? Dust Cactus? What the hell? 70 bucks. Packers colorway of the Terminators right here, down to 40. We saw these way cheap. Where did we see these? At Bakersfield? 70 bucks. More Nike by Hughes right here. Kentucky blue. $60 for the Air Force highs. GT Jump 2s, $80 for that pastel colorway. Trouts right here, pretty much free at 30 bucks. If you need some baseball cleats, football cleats right here. Alpha Menace, $20. Jordan 9 low powder blue, university blue. Golf cleats right here, 180. So that's 13 dunks. Down here, 60 bucks. More dunks, 100 bucks. More dunks, $90. Another one of these Airship size 13, 70 bucks. And it's crazy because these mids are going for 110, and then Jordan 1 highs are going for even cheaper. Jordan 1 lows going for 60. Another one of these Kentucky blues. This one is a gum bottom, 60 bucks. Another one of the ships right here. These are 12 and a half, 70 bucks. Brazils right here going for 90. Got all kinds of them. Size 14, $60. Jordan hairs down to 50. That's hella bright. Ones right here. These are going for 100. GT, what are these? A Hustle 2s going for 80. Got some Air Forces patent leather going for 55. XRs down to 30. Got dunks, got Jordan 1s, got all kinds of sneakers. What a selection here, especially for big feet gang. $80 for the Jordan 1 high. Golf right there. $160 for the highs. Got some of the lows now. $110. $60 for the dunks right here. Dunks just going for hella cheap. Jordan 1 high craft. $80 size 16s. Jordan 3s, $170. Got some 9s right here. These are what size 18, 16s going for $170 still. LA finally getting some rain. It's about dang time, fools. Got some really extreme sizes going for hella cheap. Got some sweats, $13. $13 for extra small. And then we go to quadruple XL, $30 for tech fleece. This is the plus size section right here. Triple XL, $15 for some thinner sweats. Yeah, 15 bucks for these as well. T-shirts, $6. Clipper shirts, $7. These are all triple XL. And we go to the regular sizes, and we start seeing regular prices. 40 bucks, still not bad for that hella fluffy sweats right there. ACG, hella baggy, hella pricey. About 60 bucks. And then they got one of the double extra small. I've never seen an XX small. What the hell, 15 bucks if you need something for your kid or your girl. Not an SB, but definitely look like skater gear right here. Got some cargo pants, 50 bucks. And what are these? Some khaki pants right here, 20 bucks. Okay, these are going for 50. Do got a Ross next door. Seems like everybody's waiting for their clearance sale. I think it starts tomorrow. You guys will get this video after that, so hopefully you guys can find a bunch of stuff for like 50 cents or something. Is that what they're saying? To be honest, I've been buying Levi's. My kiddo likes these 505s. They're freaking 25 bucks here. Those are normally what, 60, 70 bucks? They got the 511s right here. These are also 25 bucks. 527s, also 25. I have to go into work in a minute, so I'm not really trying to buy a bunch of stuff. Is that a restock? No, that's the opposite. He's putting everything away. Shelves hella bare. What's up with that? It's kind of interesting. Got some Terex with Boost. Terex usually ain't cheap, right? These size 11s, 40 bucks. Still not marked down. 50 bucks for the Mellows. KD Tray 510s going for 40. What are these? NMDS ones? 60 bucks. What size are these Ultra Boost? 14 and a half. Oh, 14 and a half UK. 15 US. These are marked down to 38. 65 for for these size 13s right here. Cosmic Unities. All right, not much, you guys, not much today. These are my rain boots. I don't really have any rain shoes, so I do wear patent leather shoes when it starts raining. These are my Fairfax LeBron 7s. That is the high school I went to, so kind of cool to have my high school on my LeBrons. And it's like 40 degrees, which is like cold as hell compared to where we live, so I do got a poofy jacket, a beanie. Apparently they're having all kinds of rain issues, dang it. All right, I gotta go into work. Maybe I'll head up some other spots after. Everybody's been talking about their clearance sale. It's way late though. Oh wait, they just opened at 10 o'clock. It's only been open for a couple minutes. What the hell? Never seen this place this crowded. People picking up all kinds of stuff. And I thought everything was down to 49 cents. I guess not. Guess not. Looking for markdown items. LeBron's going for 83.50 for these. Project Rock right here. Not everything marked down though. Superstores right here. Size 10, 40 bucks. Got some Hyper Dunks right here. Going for 50 bucks. Jordan 2s. Down here, these are 10 and a half. These are 10 and a half. Aren't these women's, I think? Yeah, 55. Got someone claiming these 35 for these right here. Oh, that's one of the workers putting those up. Yeah, this is the craziest I've ever seen this spot. 47 for this. Got KDs and stuff. These are huge though. Crazy huge. 65. This clearance section right here is where it's the most popular. I thought everything was 49 cents though. But yeah, 15 bucks. I guess they just mark stuff down. $30 for Levi's jean jackets. This Fanatics kids jersey right here. $1.50. $1.50, so yeah, you do see things marked down. Look at the women's clearance section right here. Clean out, holy cow. Alright, women's sneaker section or women's shoe section over here. Of course, these Jordan 2s. These are 11 and a half, so size 10 men's. 55. That's my size. I kind of like these. They were lower. The price was lower. Got these Pumas right here marked down to $10. Yeah, these aisles are insane for how crowded it is. Look at how thin these aisles are. It's just kind of crazy. Mess around and catch a case. Walking by somebody with the $35. And you got people carrying carts through the aisles. These tiny aisles. Yeah. Dude, I'm done. This location opened 23 minutes ago. And of course, crazy line already. Alright, I'm done, dude.